like and subscribe button if this video helps you out. We just got our new jute rug delivered, which is a natural fiber rug. We got an entrance foyer rug runner already, so this is going to be the matching rug that we're going to put in the dining room. We also ordered a pad for the floor to protect the floor. I'm going to open that up right now. Let's go in our dining room. So we're going to do a little before and after, and that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to open this up. This just came and it's heavy. And this is actually the pad. Which looks like a pad. So that's the pad. It's a very soft pad that we're going to put underneath the rug, and hopefully everything works out. So with that said, I'm going to have to recruit my lovely assistant, Mrs. Hip In.
Figure out the
Do we have to cut this?
it's exactly the length of the rug, so we shouldn't have to. I actually thought this side goes down.
What side goes down?
I don't know.
Probably the soft side.
Soft side down. Doesn't say.
I would go with the soft side, because the other side would scratch it up.
Right. And I don't know which way it looks like it's gonna go.
Whoa,
I told you it's gonna take a.
it's a lot bigger. This thing is monster.
Oh, okay. Nice mat. Did you get it? Maybe.
And then we're gonna have to flip it, right?
Yeah.
And then just cut the bottom off and the side off,
Okay.
instead of cutting 4 times.
Right.
You center it on here, or not?
We need to go this way with the table just a tiny bit, like, no, the other way.
This way?
Mm-hmm.
awesome. Hit the like and subscribe button if this video helped you out.